Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Professional Reader. I hope you all are fine, and today we also have a short story. Okay, let's start. The title of the story is A Father Learns a Lesson from His Son. This short story, A Father Learns a Lesson from His Son, is quite interesting to all the people. Enjoy reading this story. Okay. Valen was a carpenter. He was living in a village. His mother died a long time back. His father, Kufan, lived with Valen. Kufan was very weak. He could not even walk well. He was so weak. It was because Valen did not give him enough food. He had given his father a small earthen plate. Having a small quantity of rice in the plate appeared to be much. Valen was a bad man. He was a drunkard also. After taking drinks, he abused his father badly. Valen had a son. His name is Matthew. Matthew was just 10 years old. He was a very good boy. He loved his grandfather. He had great respect for his grandfather. He did not like his father's attitude and character because his father was treating his grandfather cruelly. One day, Kufan was eating his food out of earthen plate that his son had given to him. The earthen plate fell down. The plate broke into pieces. The food also fell on the floor. Valen was working at the other end of the room. He saw the broken plate. He was very angry with his father and used very harsh words to abuse his father. The old man felt bad about what happened. He was sorry for his mistakes. Valen's words wounded him very deeply. Valen's sons, Mitu, saw this. He did not like this father. His father was ill treating his grandfather. He was afraid to speak against his father. He was sad about his grandfather, but he was not powerful to stand in support of his grandfather. The next day, Metu took some of his father's carpentry tools and a piece of wood. He worked with the tools to make a wooden plate. His father saw him working. What are you making, Matthew? He asked. I am making a wooden plate, replied Matthew. A wooden plate? What for? Asked his father. I am making it for you, father. When you grow old like my grandfather, you will need a plate for food. A plate made from earth that break very easily. Then I may scold you severely. So I want to give you a wooden plate. It may not break so easily. The carpenter was shocked to hear this. Only now he realized his mistakes. His father was kind to Valen. He had looked after Valen very well. Now he was old. Valen was treating his father severely. Valen was now very sad about his own behavior. He realized his mistakes. He then became a different person. From that day, Valen treated his father with great respect. He gave up drinking too. Valen learned a lesson from his own son. You should honor your parents at all times. It is your duty. It brings you their blessing. I hope you got the lesson from this story and it is very interesting for you. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel for the new short stories and I hope you enjoy the story. Thank you.